Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel where we do review of man's fashion products. Today we will step into a world where fashion meets functionality with the Fastrack men's Fastfit Quartz analog watch. Designed for the modern professional, this watch is more than just a timepiece. It's a bold statement of style, ready to elevate your look from desk to dinner. Crafted with precision, this watch features a sleek black dial and a premium leather strap. The minimalistic design is perfect for the stylish young professional who values elegance. The combination of dark hues and fine detailing ensures it pairs effortlessly with any outfit, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Beyond its aesthetics, the watch offers practical features such as day and date displays. Stay organized and on top of your schedule effortlessly. The easy-to-read dial and intuitive design cater to the busy professional who demands both style and substance in their accessories. Fastrack is known for its commitment to quality, and this watch is no exception. With a solid 4.3-star rating from numerous satisfied customers, its durability and premium finish testify to the brand's excellence. It's not just a watch, it's an investment in style and reliability. Perfect for trendsetters and fashion enthusiasts, this watch is more than a functional accessory. Whether heading to a business meeting or a casual outing, it completes your look with its sleek modernity. Its bold presence is sure to attract attention and admiration. Available for Rs 5,095, this watch is in stock and ready to be delivered at your convenience. With quick shipping options, you can adorn your wrist with this elegant timepiece in no time. Make your mark in style without any delays, and enjoy the effortless shopping experience on Amazon. Time to redefine your accessory game. Embrace the elegance and functionality of the Fastrack men's Fastfit watch and make it your statement piece. Don't wait to upgrade your style. Click the link in the description to purchase today and get the best offer. Make every moment count with Fastrack.